Hey everyone, and welcome to Bubli's World Cuisine. I have some freshly made cream cheese in front of you, just made this batch, and on today's video, I'll show you how to make fresh cream cheese. Not just any cream cheese, this is a Philadelphia style silky smooth texture cream cheese. Now, if you're ready, we can get started. First of all, a pan in the stove, and to that, I'm going to add a liter of milk. Now, I'm using whole milk here, and that's what you should use. Please don't go for skimmed. Now, you need to keep this milk in the stove until it comes to a boil, and you need to stir it every now and then, making sure nothing sticks to the bottom. Now, it seems like a tiring job, but I can assure you within 8 to 10 minutes, milk will come to a boil. Now, when milk starts to evaporate, you need to keep an eye because soon it will start to form some bubbles. And that's when you know that milk is ready for the next step. Turn the heat to low, and now it's time to add your acid. Now, today I'm using buttermilk, but you can go for lemon juice, vinegar, and any other thing you prefer to cut the milk. Anyways, you want to add your acid batch by batch, and every time you want to give it stir. Okay, now milk has started to curdle, and you can see that the hay is separating from the milk. And you can also use hay for cutting milk. Anyways, it's almost done. Now I want to remove it from the stove. Now I'm going to use a strainer to strain the hay out of this cheese. And you can keep this liquid to use on your pizza dough or for making cheese the next time. It's really useful. I'm going to throw it away today because I don't need it right now. Okay, now you want to wash it with cold water, and that will stop this cheese from further cooking and it will make it softer because this cheese is still hot and you don't want to keep it that way. Next, we need a bowl and a piece of cheesecloth. We want to strain out all the liquid from this cheese. So I'm going to put it on the cheesecloth. Okay, everything goes in. And now you want to squeeze out all the liquid. Okay, yeah, all the liquid is coming out. Although we strained it, but still there's so much liquid left. And you want to squeeze it and then you want to leave it for half an hour. Sometimes 15 minutes is enough, but I always try to leave it for 20 to 30 minutes. So let it rest, and after half an hour, we want to check if all the water has come out from it. And the way to check it is by your hand, and it's crumbly and it doesn't seem wet now. So now we will go to the next step, which is making the actual cream cheese. Okay, I'm going to use my small food processor today. It's like a mini chopper, but a food processor or a blender will do the job. I'm going to take all of this cheese in my jar. Everything goes in. And this is the amount of cheese I got from 1 liter of milk. Okay, now I'm gonna add some additional items to make it creamy and also to give it some taste. First of all, I'm gonna add some cream, and I had around 2 tablespoons of cream there, a quarter teaspoon of salt, and some butter. Now, because we have used salt, you wanna use unsalted butter, and please make sure that your butter is in room temperature because otherwise you will not get a nice texture. Okay, lid on, and now I'm gonna just grind it for a few minutes. So everything is mixing in and giving it a silky smooth texture just like Philadelphia. So my cream cheese is all done, and I want to show you how the texture looks like. So this is how the texture is, and sometimes your cheese could be a little bit more crumbly than that if you squeeze out way too much water from it. So my final product is ready and I'm happy with the result. So I'm gonna take it out in a dish and look, it's silky, smooth, and very much like the one you buy from shops. Cream cheese is easily available on all major supermarkets, but there is nothing like making your own. I often make it at home so that I know what I have put inside, and you can balance the saltiness and everything. Okay, I'm gonna put it on my bread, and then I'm gonna put some honey and chia seed on it. Thank you for watching my video, and let me know if you have any comments. Take care and bye.